Hi, Angus here. I thought I'd check out Lysterfield Lake for potential for sailing my new dinghy, which I'm getting soon. But just a bit about Lysterfield Lake. Very popular for canoeing, kayak and sailing. Lysterfield Lake also offers two beaches suitable for walk and swim access, both located near beach car park at the southern end of the lake. The lake's not patrolled by any lifeguards and children should be supervised at all times. The lake measures in length 1.49 kilometres approximately, and sort of narrow, it measures approximately 500 metres. Right, this is the entrance. Beautiful scenery coming down to the lake. Just follow these signs down to the canoe and launching area here, so where people can just pull up in this 10-minute temporary parking spot, which is really useful to unload your gear. And then you just take off from here and go and park your car just about 100 metres away. Car parks are up there. There's some walking trails as well, and public toilets over there. I'll just scrolling down here. I'm actually checking this out. I'm hanging out to get my new Keywall 2L inflatable dinghy, which I'm looking to sail around different places. Which is an inflatable boat which comes in 2 bags. Sets up in about 20 minutes. After a nice easy stroll down from the car park, as mentioned before, I came down this road when I entered, and this is your 10-minute unloading zone, which is really very helpful, especially when you've got kayaks and stand-up boards and sailing boats. Well, I certainly can't wait to come back to this place. What a beautiful day it was. Not much wind for sailing, but what a place to have a picnic and spend an afternoon.